life in the ocean. Look, it's a little baby turtle. This little reptile was born from an egg. It hatched on sand, and now it is crawling to the ocean. The baby turtle explores its new home. Lots of creatures live under the sea. The baby turtle meets a creature with a hard shell. Hermit crabs have claws. They are very useful. The claws help them hold on to things and find food. Look, it's a friendly family of seals. Seals are mammals. Their babies drink milk from their mothers. Humans are mammals too. Can you think of any other creatures who are mammals? Humans are mammals too. Can you think of any other creatures who are mammals? The turtle has found some seagrass. This is its first ever meal. Some turtles also eat snails, worms, and other animals. The turtle swims through a coral reef. Corals are important animals in the ocean. They make safe homes for all kinds of creatures. Wow! Look at all those fish. There are so many colors, shapes, and sizes. What colors can you see? The turtle swims out to the deep ocean. There is something very big out here. What could it be? Wow! It's a big blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animal to ever have lived on our planet. Listen to its wonderful song. Whales sing to each other to communicate. They are very loud. What do you think they are singing about? Earth might be the only planet that has oceans. We need to keep them clean and safe for all the creatures who live in them. How can you help to keep them clean? The end.